Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Perry and I wanted to take a minute to introduce myself. I am your child's 5th grade specials teacher for orchestra lessons. I see them when they come with their homeroom to music class once a week. I wanted to take a minute and show you what program comes with our Essential Elements book. On the back of each book is a web page. It says www.essentialelementsinteractive.com. And that site has a free program that goes along with our book, and we're going to be using that this year. So I wanted to show you how you could create the account at home. I'm going to be sending home this paper next week with all of the lessons. It's step-by-step instructions on how to create this account. I'm going to demonstrate just a little bit of it today. I can get you as far as I can get before entering a student's ID. So I'll show you all the steps to lead you up to that, and then after that, if you could follow the instructions on the page, I can help you get your account created. So let's go ahead and open up your internet browser and go to the address essentialelementsinteractive.com, all one word. And again, it's on the paper that I'm sending home. It's also on the back of your child's book, the address, essentialelementsinteractive.com. Click Student. You don't have a username or a password yet. That's what we're trying to do. So let's click Create an Account. We're doing this for our classroom, so choose Classroom Student Account. And our school code. We've created a code called Nord Orchestra, one word. And the caps matter, so it's capital N-O-R-D, capital O-R-C-H-E-S-T-R-A. Nord Orchestra, capital N, capital O. Student ID. This is as far as I can get you on the tutorial, but the student ID is your child's lunch code. They enter in their lunch code, click Enter, then you'll be prompted to answer just a couple questions. For example, it will ask you to click that you own a copy of the Essential Elements book. You click that you own the book, you click that you agree to their terms and service, and then it's going to ask you for an activation code. The activation code is unique to each book. When you open the front cover, at the bottom, let me see if I can line this up. At the bottom, you're going to see an activation code. That is your child's activation code, and you'll enter that in, and then it's going to prompt you to create a username and password just for you. I've asked all of the students to use their school email address as their username. For example, 26Perry1234 could be mine, if that was my school email address. The password, I'm asking students to use their school email password. They already have enough things to try to remember, different combinations and passwords. So we're going to try to keep their email address, the beginning of their email address for their username, and their school password as their password for Essential Elements. After that, you're going to be set to go. It might ask you if you want to enter in your full email address. That is up to you. It's not necessary. And then let me see if I can log out here and show you what it will look like once you get inside the program. I'm going to log in as teacher. It's going to look the same. It's just mine is the teacher account. All right. So once you're in the program, I'm going to talk about this microphone in the top corner. If I click that microphone, yes, I want to allow that it's going to use my microphone. This program can hear you play, and this program can play music back with you and for you. So today we were working on Song 15 in class, and it looks like the last one I was working with was cello. So right now I have the cello part for Song 15. I can change that to violin. Whatever instrument you play, I've already put in the program for you. So as soon as you register your account, it's going to know if you're a violin, viola, cello, or bass player. All of your music is on screen. If you left your book at school, no worries. You can sign into the program and still be practicing at home. I have asked the kids to be playing the music we do in class for you at home. So hopefully you've heard a little of these songs. If not, ask to hear them, please. So here's an example of how the program works. Accomp is shortened version for accompaniment. That means the background. You can choose no background and simply just play by yourself. You can choose metronome. Metronome is a beat keeper. It will click a very specific and steady beat. Or you can choose any of these different styles like piano. Excuse me. So let's just sample a few seconds worth. If I press play, it will count me in, and you're going to hear some piano background music that you could be playing with. I'll stop it there. There's a repeat at this one, so it's going to go back and do the whole song again. But that gives you a sample of how you can be practicing at home, how you can keep it interesting and keep some minutes if you're working for 15 or 20 minutes of practicing, and we only have 4 measures in our song. You can get done with that pretty quickly. So this can help you add some minutes to your practice. It should make it fun. It should make it interesting. You also have the option to record, so you can record it and play it back to see what you sound like. Okay? If anyone has any questions along the way, please reply to the email, send me a note to school. You can call me. The phone number to reach me is 440-988-1690. That does get you to the junior high band room, but I'm also the junior high band director. So when you call, don't be alarmed if it's sending you to the junior high. That's where my phone is. Thank you, everyone. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see that you've logged in and created an account on Essential Elements Interactive and that you are practicing at home. Thank you. Bye.